Let me tell you why it's $103, baby. Because it's an MS Slammer.
Woo!
Woo!
To Iron Fishing, where we pursue the best bites in fresh and salt water. That means every species, any water, and all tactics. Buckle up as we showcase trophy fish and reveal how you can get.
What's going on, Iron Fishing team? Mike Davidson.
Bill Rose.
Welcome back to the channel. Okay. Today's every angler's favorite day, and that's unboxing / haul video.
Oh, we're gonna unbox these on camera for you guys, so you guys can see. We're gonna talk about them a little bit, you know,
in real time.
Obviously, we haven't fished them, so we don't know everything about them, but we will get back to you on that stuff. So I guess I'll get things started with something tried and true, something I have actually thrown a lot of the past couple seasons.
Classic.
This is the River to Sea, if I can get this thing open, S-Waver 168.
I'm gonna go off camera right now, get a knife.
This is it here, guys. This is the light trout color. As you can see, it is made to imitate a trout, but not necessarily just a trout. You know, it's going to depend on where you are in the country, what you're going to be trying to imitate with this. But the bass seem to love this color. I've heard great things. There's a couple little tricks you can do to fine tune these. They come with really nice hooks on them as is. I want to say they're 3X fish these. They are a slow sink. You know, I don't think we've talked about it, but you can do some other things if you want it to sink slower or if you want it to sink faster. You could probably even get this to float. But changing out the hooks, adding lead tape, those are just a couple things that you can do to change how it sinks.
Number 2. Something I have wanted forever. Something I have longed for. Something I needed.
Yeah.
Something my girlfriend said, why is it $103? I'll tell you why it's $103, baby. Because it's an MS Slammer.
Woo!
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Yeah, because it's a slammer.
Guys, we're excited about this one.
Because it's a slammer.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. If you guys know anything about big swim baits, this is the creme de la creme right here.
So I got it in perch color, real close.
Yeah, get the angle.
If you can see in there. Now I don't know, see that M right there? So that's signed. Mike Shaw still signs every bait. So these, I'll give you a good view of it like this. This is a 9-inch bait. From tip to tail. You could tow a car with Mike Shaw's hook hangers.
At a minimum.
Seriously. At a minimum. It also has a rubber tail, which is a classic of the slammer. A rubber floppy tail. So when that's going in the water, you're getting that action up top. And I'm definitely going to have a fishing video on this.
This video is brought to you by Dunkin' Donuts. Alright guys, number 3 coming up. We got something special here. Now this here, this is the Jackal Gantarelle. Now this is a very popular New England bait specifically. It's designed to imitate a sunfish, a perch, anything of that sort. As you can see, it comes with feathered trebles, very nice craftsmanship. This is made again by Jackal. I'll get you some specs. 6.3 inches. 2.45 ounce. So this can get thrown on a lot of your lighter big swim bait stuff. You might even be able to get away with it on some of your heavier pitching and flipping setups. And that's the same with that S-Waver. You don't necessarily need designated big swim bait stuff to throw it. Something like that slammer that Mike just had, that you do.
Number 4, the Lunker Punker.
The 6-inch.
6-inch Lunker Punker. Made by Black Dog Bait Co. Okay, tech specs on the Lunker Punker. It's 6 inches. I don't have a weight on it. Originally, this was designed as a musky bait. So it's funny. A lot of baits come from the musky market.
Yeah.
Especially in big swim baits.
Well, I think that's where a lot of the guys originated.
Yeah.
They kind of saw these musky baits. They're like, why don't people throw these for bass, for big
Right.
bass? And they
And I'm
grabbed
sure a lot of guys throwing for muskie were like catching big bass.
them. Oh yeah,
Just a 6-inch spook style bait.
nice color on it too.
Yeah, I really
Trout.
like that trout. And you gotta remember with the spook style baits, you're gonna see like the bottom maybe half to 3/4 of the bait. So you're gonna have that really nice flash belly on there. Yeah, lunker punker, just a topwater bait. As you can see, it's kind of curved right here, so it does. The lunker punker has a very sexual action.
Okay.
That might have to be.
5 coming in hot.
Woo!
We got the Bait Sanity Antidote Glide Bait. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of the Explorer. This is going to be the slightly downsized version of it. Give me some tech specs on that.
Tech specs.
All right.
Slow sinking. The weight is 2.6 ounces. And we're 7.5 inches long. So we have a 2.6 ounce bait, 7.5 inches long, and it is slow sinking. The Antidote Glide.
All right. So as you can see, comes with no hooks on it. Does have hooks separately in the bag with it. I do not know the specs on these hooks. If I had to guess, probably a Mustad 2X. So this is it here, guys. As you can see, we got that bread roll.
I think it's a bread bowl.
Bread bowl. Bread bowl.
No, sorry.
Bread roll.
It's just bread. Bread. Color? Bread. It's kind of a matte tan.
It almost looks like I would describe it as somewhere between a goldfish and a carp.
Matt Allen actually recommends the carp and the Bait Sanities.
Really?
Yeah.
We could even, like, this is something you could have as a blank slate almost.
Yeah, I was
To
thinking that
paint
too.
something.
You could paint something on
Yeah,
that if you
that's what I
really
was
wanted to.
Almost wondering. I do like it. It's a cool
Dude,
color.
if it fishes really well,
That'd be nice
you
in the
should
fall.
if it fishes really well, you should have a
I like
guy around here, a local guy, paint it.
I like this a lot.
Yeah.
This is nice. I
Dude,
really like that.
That's sweet.
I like the color on it a lot too. But yeah, guys, that's the Bait Sanity there. You can see, so that very butt end is a hard rubber tail. You can see that split right there. Let's hold a bunch of these. Here, hold a couple.
Where's the punker?
That'll do it for this video.
Get nice and close. Get a real close one of all the baits like this.
Oh, dude, a thumbnail.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get.
Oh, okay. Money. Do some like shocked face. Ready?